Do you find yourself hesitating at the bottom of a staircase? Maybe you notice a lingering stiffness after a morning walk, or your body simply struggles to keep up with the active pace you want to set. There is a specific, measurable friction that occurs when your desire to maintain a rigorous physical routine hits the physical limits of physical discomfort. Every day, your body processes thousands of distinct mechanical actions. Whether you are walking, lifting weights, or even just typing at a desk, your joints are constantly absorbing and transferring kinetic energy. As we age, the biological systems that support this movement naturally slow down. The body produces less joint lubrication, and the essential cushioning that protects our bones begins to thin. This gradual biological reduction is the hidden mechanism behind the loss of flexibility and the physical stiffness you might feel at the end of a long day. To understand exactly what is degrading, we have to look at cartilage. As we can see in this structural model, cartilage is a biological cushioning tissue that acts as a vital shock absorber between your bones. When it is healthy and fully intact, this tissue smoothly distributes mechanical force. It minimizes physical friction and allows the joint to glide seamlessly through its full range of motion without pain. However, time, age, and continuous movement inevitably accelerate wear and tear. Microfissures develop, and friction points increase under the repetitive stress of your daily life. To repair this structural damage, the body relies on specific external nutrients to support collagen formation and maintain the integrity of its connective tissues. Without proactive nutritional intervention to supply those building blocks, the rate of joint degradation will eventually outpace your body's natural ability to repair itself. Addressing that specific physical deficit requires a targeted approach. This is where USANA Procosa enters the picture as a dedicated joint and mobility support supplement. Looking directly at the label, the formulation is built around USANA's InCelligence Joint Support Complex. Reviewing logistical specifications, each pack contains 56 tablets. The protocol requires a daily serving of 2 tablets, recommended alongside a fat-containing meal for optimal absorption. The complex is designed around 2 overarching biological goals: actively triggering cell protection mechanisms within the tissue and physically supporting your body's full range of motion. By directly targeting these pathways, Procosa is engineered to support your body's natural physiological response to the physical stress of exercise and movement. Checking the key ingredients list, the formula is anchored by 1,500 milligrams of vegetarian-sourced glucosamine. Glucosamine is heavily researched because it is a fundamental biological building block required to maintain and repair healthy cartilage structure over time. Alongside it, vitamin C acts as a necessary catalyst. It is essential for the active formation of collagen, the main structural protein found within your connective tissues. The formula also includes 14.85 milligrams of 𝗪𝗓𝗏, or turmeric extract. This provides curcumin, an active compound important for defending the joint environment against oxidative stress. To round out the biochemical profile, the supplement delivers specific supporting minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and manganese, to aid normal muscle and tissue function. This measurable combination of structural building blocks, catalysts, and antioxidants directly provides the high-quality materials your body needs to combat the intense mechanical wear and tear we outlined earlier. Because of this specific formulation, the most direct beneficiaries are physically active individuals, gym-goers, runners, athletes, and seniors, actively seeking to preserve their mobility and manage the impact of their routines. For these specific demographics, supplying the joints with high-quality raw materials can become an integral part of a daily health regimen. No supplement acts as a magic cure-all for joint pain. True joint longevity is a holistic system. It strictly requires a balanced diet, proper daily hydration, and consistent, safe exercise to work in tandem with any targeted nutritional support. It is important to note that this product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking existing medication, or managing a medical condition, you must consult a healthcare professional before adding this to your routine. As with any nutritional protocol, biological results and efficacy will naturally vary from person to person. Ultimately, USANA Procosa stands as a premium, well-formulated option for those serious about exploring high-end nutritional support for their mobility care. If you are actively researching ways to protect your joint health, this formula is worth a close look. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more detailed health and wellness reviews. See you in the next video.